In this video, I'll show you how to pull changes from GitHub. First, open your project in your preferred code editor or terminal and make sure it's connected to your GitHub repository. Before pulling any changes, save your work and commit any local changes you want to keep. Next, open the integrated terminal in your code editor or open a terminal in your projects folder. To download and merge the latest changes from the remote repository, run the git pull command. Now, wait while Git downloads the latest commits from GitHub and merges them into your local branch. If there are no conflicts, your local project will be updated automatically with the newest changes. After that, if Git reports any merge conflicts, open the affected files and resolve the conflicts manually. Save the files, commit the resolved changes if necessary, and verify that your project is working correctly. Finally, review the updated files in your project and run your application if needed to confirm that everything is working as expected. Your local copy is now synchronized with the latest version from GitHub. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pull changes from GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.